Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will be a Shopify DSers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Shopify application DSers, which can fully automate your dropshipping operations from product sourcing to order fulfillment. So by the end, you'll be able to hands-free manage sourcing, marketing, selling, and shipping to massively boost productivity. Let's get right in. So the very first step to getting started is that we obviously want to have a Shopify account so that we can create our store and set it up properly. So head over to shopify.com and then click that start free trial button. Once you've provided Shopify with a few basic details, you will be able to access your account for 3 days as a free trial. And then after that, you will have to buy one of the plans presented right here. You will find the offer in our description box down below that will grant you the 3-day free trial. And then after that, you will only have to pay $1 a month for 3 consecutive months on any one of these plans. It is a temporary offer by Shopify, so go ahead and grab it before it's too late. And after that, you'll be presented with a Shopify dashboard that will look like something like this. And from the left sidebar, we want to head over to the applications in order to install the DSers app. The app essentially bridges your Aliexpress supplier account containing inventory data with your customer-facing Shopify storefront. So in the search bar, type DSers and then select their app listing. And of course, the app has a free plan, so you don't have to worry about paying anything. Click add application or install to initialize the installation process. And then next, you will have to authorize your Aliexpress seller account so DSers can sync information across both platforms. So enter your Aliexpress login credentials and then click authorize, accept permissions, and feel free to skip any intro tos for now. With accounts linked, let's import some products. DSers removes the tedious product research by letting you easily import items from Aliexpress using their Chrome extension or the internal discovery tools. So if you would like to, you can install the extension to enable one-click imports while browsing. And when you find a winning product, you simply click add to DSers to automatically pull its details into your queue. Alternatively, you can utilize DSers' internal product database. You just search for your niche keywords and then filter by metrics such as orders or ratings to reveal the best sellers that you can present yourself, and click import to add these as well. Now under my import list, we have full control to tailor products before catalog publication. And while the product discovery phase was easy, raw importer listings won't represent your brand. So we need to transform them into compelling catalog entries aligned to your business. For generic Aliexpress titles, create simple, clear names, and flesh out descriptions by explaining key features and value differentiators in your brand's messaging and tone. Dial in pricing details by overriding wholesale rates with appropriate markups that map to perceived value, while also allowing for long-term scaling profits. And carefully curate the variant options if the factory has excessive combinations that would dilute the conversions. I would recommend deleting cluttered images in favor of the lifestyle photos. So basically, you want to mold important products until they resonate with your target audience versus random dropship items. So complete this catalog optimization process and then you can release them onto your Shopify store. And the final foundation step before taking orders is publishing refined products to your Shopify store catalog for customer visibility. So inside the DSers, select the desired important list items and then click the push to Shopify button above. Configure any final publishing options in the prompt before clicking the button to sync. Give a moment for the product transfer and then navigate to your Shopify admin's product section to inspect your new goods with the dialed in branding and messaging thanks to prior efforts. Now as the purchases roll in for published products, DSers will automatically synchronize details between the accounts so that we can fulfill the orders with just a few clicks. So navigate to the DSers Open Orders dashboard, revealing actionable purchases. New sales placed in Shopify will instantly appear here, ready for processing. So start by selecting items and apply appropriate shipping methods according to customer locations, costs, and speed preferences to save on logistics. And then after that, click place order and DSers handles bundling all the customer shipment specifics directly to Aliexpress for prompt fulfillment dispatch from their extensive warehouse network. And then finally, you want to return to DSers and click make payment once the orders show as ready. And then simply pay now over on Aliexpress for the full reconciliation without the usual tedious manual order copying. And that will be all on today's walkthrough with Shopify DSers. Hopefully by now you know exactly how you can dropship from Aliexpress using the DSers application and how you can fulfill the orders once sales start coming in. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.